Hey everyone, it's Robert, and I just got done with finding out my sleep study results. I am in front of Next Gen Sleep over by Memorial, Northwest Oklahoma City, and yeah, I have sleep apnea. In fact, I'm not going to get into the technical thing, but my heart does have a tendency to have a little bit of dysrhythmia, as they call it, when I sleep, and I do have volume to my snoring. So they've got me set up with CPAP, and as a matter of fact, that's it right there. It's in this machine. It's in this bucket right here. You can see it right there. We are, and the mask that goes with it. So from now and probably until my surgery, and even after past my surgery, I'm going to be having to wear a mask when I sleep at night, which will make things fun for me and Sharon. So, yeah. Figured this would happen sooner or later. So, there's that. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.